Today I'm going to show you how to make Kung Pao Shrimp. If you are a fan of Kung Pao Chicken, then you need to try this too. The savory, sweet and spicy Kung Pao sauce is addictive alongside a large piece of crunchy shrimp. It just makes you crave for more. First, you will need 300-gram large shrimp that are peeled and deveined with tail shell on. Add quarter teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of salt, and half tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 绍兴 wine. Use your hand to mix it well. You can also use chopsticks if you prefer. Then adding 1 small egg white and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Egg white and cornstarch help retain the juiciness of the shrimp. Mix well again thoroughly. Now cover this with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge and marinate for 30 minutes. Next, we are gonna prepare some sliced garlic cloves, one tablespoon of sliced ginger, and some chopped green onions. You are always welcome to add other veggies of your choice. Next, we're gonna prepare some chilies. You will need 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns and 3 long dry red chilies. Cut the dry red chilies in small pieces with a scissor. Now we are gonna prepare the Kung Pao sauce. In a bowl, adding 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of Chinese black vinegar, you can also use rice vinegar, half teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix the sauce well and set it aside. After 30 minutes, take the shrimp out of the fridge and add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix everything well and we're gonna fry the shrimp. In a wok, add in 2 cups of vegetable oil. Set the heat on medium-high. Use wooden chopstick to check the temperature of the oil. Once you see the bubbles coming up from the edge of the chopsticks, the oil is ready. Then add in the shrimp, one at a time. Fry until the shrimp turns golden for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the shrimp and we are gonna do a second fry. Turn the heat up on medium-high again. Second fry the shrimp for about 1 minute until golden brown. Just look how crispy it is, and the shrimp smells amazing. Now remove the shrimp and set them aside. With the remaining oil on low heat, adding 50 grams of peanuts and 50 grams of cashews and fry for about 3 minutes. You can use just peanuts or just cashews, but I like the combination of both. Remove them from the oil and set them aside. We are gonna need this later. Now it's time to assemble the dish. In a clean wok, adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil on medium-high heat, adding the garlic and ginger. Stir for about 15 seconds. Then adding the Sichuan peppercorns and the dry red chilies. Continue to stir until fragrant. Now adding the green onions and the Kung Pao sauce. Once the sauce starts bubbling, adding the fried shrimp. Coat well with the sauce. Now adding the cashews and peanuts. Combine everything well. Just look at that sauce and the gorgeousness of the shrimp. I can't wait to taste them. Now it's ready to serve. Garnish with some chopped green onions on top. And look at this. Sichuan Kung Pao Shrimp is full of wonderful flavors. You can taste a crunchy and large bite of shrimp with a savory, sweet, and spicy Kung Pao sauce. Guys, you've got to try this. If you like my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!